Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is September 17th. Yeah, Tuesday, September 17th. So I actually have quite a few things to do. I just feel like I'm always ripping and running, and I just need to be productive today. So far, I had to do some work stuff, so I got that tackled. I didn't vlog. I should have started vlogging when I was doing that, but whatever. Tomorrow I do have to do work stuff too, so maybe I might insert a quick part of that tomorrow, and then try to finish hurrying it up and then edit for you guys tomorrow when I come home, so that I can drop this video, because I have not been giving you guys my 2-video week. It's only been one because I just like my time management has been poor these days, but I'm getting back to my grind anyway. So oh my god, this pimple's so annoying. Don't look at the pimple. But right now I actually need to just clean my room, just like a quick clean, because I just got water bottles that gotta go. And then I also need to fold my laundry from Sunday. Yes, I still have not folded my laundry from Sunday. I just feel like I've been ripping and running, so I'm gonna get that tackled. I'm gonna fold my laundry. I'm gonna empty out whatever leftover water bottles I have into my bag of water bottles to get recycled. And then I did all the important things I had to do for my job early, like I said. So, and then I had some miscellaneous. There were miscellaneous but important stuff. This is why I use my reminders app. Hold on, sorry, I was looking at something. This is why I use my reminders app, because if I don't use my reminders app, then I'll never get anything done and I won't remember. So, but I don't want to talk to you guys too much. I don't know. Maybe I'll just show you guys folding. I feel like this is about to be boring because I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. But let me actually just handle my trash and whatever, and then I'll probably come back to you guys after. Let me do that. Oh yes, that's what I wanted to do. I also wanted to set myself up as far as my my planner is concerned, for at least within the month of October, since we only have, let's see, one tomorrow. Next week is another full week, and then the following week. So I kind of want to start setting myself up for October. Things that I want to do October. And setting myself up for that, so that I'm setting myself up early. So yeah, that's what I want to do. So maybe I'll show you guys some of that. It's already 5:18, so well, actually that time is wrong. It's actually 5:20. Yeah, it's 5:20, so I actually want to go ahead and focus, because before I know it, it's time. And then I kind of just want to relax after that, and probably watch a show for the time being, and then I'll head to the shower. Now I do want to work out, but here's the thing. I asked my trainer to send me something. She did, but I don't think it's gonna happen today. I just finished eating my dinner. I kind of just want to relax, so I think I'm gonna try to do it tomorrow. We'll see. Tomorrow and Thursday, that's the 2 days I'm trying to bank on, to at least get 2 days this week, because I don't think it's happening today, unless I really have this big amount of energy before I go to bed, and then I'll try to do it, but I don't see it happening. So yeah, let me get myself together and let me do this stuff, so that I could just relax within, hopefully by 6, maybe before that, but at this pace that I'm going, probably 6. Alright, hey guys, so I did get some PR in the mail. At first I was like, I didn't even know it was my package when I got here, but anyway, that's besides the point. So I thought I was not even gonna get these products anymore because I hadn't heard from them, but I think this is for TikTok. I have to actually check my email because I don't remember, but I know I only requested 2 products, and I'll show you guys the 2, but they ended up, I don't know if it's because they were late in sending me. I'm pretty sure they messaged me in August, and today's September the 18th, so I guess because they were late on sending this stuff, they sent me extra. I don't know, but anyway, I got 4 products, but the 2 that I requested that I wanted to review, I believe this is for TikTok, is the Pure Cleansing Water Sensitive. It's huge, by the way. This is how many ounces is this? It doesn't say. But yeah, I don't want to mess up the packaging because, you know, I want to show everything. But yeah, so the brand is called Manyo. I hope I'm saying that right. So I got the cleansing oil because I do use cleansing oil now. I got the cleansing water. I'm sorry. So this is like a toner, and then I got the cleansing oil. These are the 2 things I requested, and then the things that they gave me was the deep cleansing oil, the extra, and then they gave me the Biome Complex Amp Oil. Now the thing is, when they initially reached out to me, they did send me these 4 links. So I don't know if they just ended up just sending me all the 4 links, but I remember them saying just 2. Either way, we got 4 products. So expect a review from me on these. I may just add it, not in today's vlog, but in a vlog somewhere in the near future. So if you guys see that these products, like I said, I have to go to my email to see whatever, but it's not going to be today. I'm just going to set these aside until I'm ready to do what I have to do. What I want to do is see if I could quickly edit this video, this vlog, so that I could drop it for you guys. I just had a little bit of everything in this vlog. I tried to make it interesting but short and sweet at the same time. I gave you guys a little bit of laundry. I gave you a little bit of me trying to set myself up. So I actually set up last night. If you guys saw me, I'm gonna speed that up, but I was just setting up all the dates we had off for the school year so that I could have them written down. I like to write them down. So I wrote down all for the whole school year into from October all the way up to June. I wrote down all the dates, and then also I just put miscellaneous things that I know of, like anything that I have planned for any future months. I wrote those down, but as far as different months, I'm still like jotting down as I go. Like this, I'm about to make a notation of the manual that I have to do that, and I haven't changed my board on my wall since like maybe a week ago because like I just feel like I was rushing everything. But nonetheless, yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say. I was doing work. I showed you guys a little bit, not really, like I had to do a required training, so I had to sit there and let that be done. So I just finished that, so I'm just coming back into my room, because now it's like my unwinding time. There's no more work. So yeah, I mean, as you guys saw, I was eating my dinner at the same time. So right now I'm gonna put these to the side. I'm gonna see if I could try to finish editing the whole vlog so that it could drop tomorrow for you guys, because I want to get back to my 2 videos a week. And then next Monday you guys will probably be getting another vlog, but it should be fun. I'm gonna make it short. I don't want to make it too long, but I think it's not gonna be different, but I'm gonna try to, I have an idea in my head is what I have to say, and when the video drops, you guys will understand. But that's my goal for Monday, and then I just have to think about what I'm gonna do for Wednesday. But I also think I have an idea of what I want to do for Wednesday. So with that being said, I'm not gonna talk anymore, because if I keep on talking, this will be too long, and then I won't be able to edit it. And now it's already almost 6 o'clock, and your girl still has to go to work tomorrow and Friday. I have 2 more days of the work week, but we're getting there. Every time I get to Monday's like, ugh, I'm dreading it. Monday's always the hardest day for whatever reason. I just like it gets on my nerves. But then as the days progress, I feel like it gets better. And then once I make it to Wednesday, I'm like, all right, you halfway through, Abigail. Then Thursday, and I'm like, all right, tomorrow, last day, and then you're done. So yeah, but yeah, not too much of the talking. Hopefully guys this was not too boring. Like, I like to give you guys everyday life vlogs. I like to watch people's everyday life vlogs, so this is my everyday life vlog. I come back from work. Sometimes I still have other work to do for my job outside of my normal working hours, and I'm done for the week now. So tomorrow, the goal is tomorrow, Thursday, I should just relax. I shouldn't be having to do nothing, and then same for Friday. So yeah, that's all I have to say. So thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, and that subscribe button. I might drop another poll though, maybe next week, to see what you guys want. I dropped the vlog, the workout vlog with my trainer, so if you haven't checked that out, I'll leave it up in the cards. And yeah, that's it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.